Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered what happiness smells like? Picture this, a fragrance that captures the essence of joy, elegance, and a touch of sweetness that lingers all day. That's exactly what Lancôme La Vie Est Belle Eau de Parfum promises and delivers. If you are tired of scents that fade away too quickly, stick around because today we're diving deep into why this perfume is a game changer for your collection. First off, let's talk about what makes La Vie Est Belle so special. This isn't just any floral fragrance. It's a modern take on a warm, spicy scent with a sweet, gourmand twist. The name itself is French for life is beautiful, and it's inspired by choosing your own path to happiness. Lancôme crafted this luxury perfume to express joyous femininity, blending the elegance of iris with the strength of patchouli and adding the irresistible sweetness of spun sugar and praline. There are even hints of Arabian jasmine and sparkling Tunisian orange blossom that make it feel vibrant and alive. Breaking down the notes, at the top you've got precious Iris Pallida, sustainably sourced as Iris Pallida butter from France. It's fresh and floral, giving that initial burst of energy. In the middle, vibrant, earthy patchouli from Bali adds depth and a grounded, almost mysterious edge. And the base? Sensual, warm vanilla mixed with spun sugar, creating a long-lasting trail that's sweet without being overpowering. It's complex, modern, and oh so addictive. Now, you might be thinking, does it really last? Absolutely! This Eau de Parfum is designed for longevity, made with the most precious natural ingredients. Apply it to your neck, wrists, and even the creases of your knees and elbows for a stronger, longer-lasting scent. For an extra boost, layer it with a matching shower gel or body lotion. It's like wrapping yourself in a cloud of happiness that follows you everywhere. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from real users who've fallen in love with it. One reviewer said, "This perfume is my go-to. It lasts from morning coffee to evening dates, and I get compliments everywhere I go." Another shared, "The scent is intoxicating, floral yet sweet, like a warm hug, worth every penny for how it makes me feel confident and beautiful." And a 5-star fan raved, "I've tried so many fragrances, but La Vie Est Belle stands out. The iris and vanilla combo is pure magic, and it's sustainably sourced, which I love." With thousands of glowing reviews on Amazon, it's clear this isn't hype, it's a bestseller for a reason. Speaking of sustainability, Lancôme is committed to ethical sourcing. The iris from France and patchouli from Bali are harvested responsibly, so you can feel good about what you're wearing. It's available in a 1 fluid ounce bottle, perfect for on-the-go glamour, and it's sealed for authenticity. If you're ready to elevate your scent game, head to Amazon via the link in the description. It's often on sale, and trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. La Vie Est Belle isn't just a perfume, it's a reminder that life is beautiful and you deserve to smell like it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more beauty reviews, and drop a comment. What's your favorite fragrance? See you next time!